What's actually happening here today, it's a full AV setup. We have an LED wall setup, full lighting. Got our new LED wall out and we're really excited about it.
One of the benefits of our LED wall is the picture quality. Stage space is often quite tight because venues want to maximise the number of tables for guests. So presenters at the podium can end up standing very close to the LED wall. So with a standard P3.9 LED wall, it's common to see the individual pixels or even get a moire effect on camera, especially for events that are being filmed. Because we're using a much finer P1.9 pixel pitch and with the correct camera settings, you get a much cleaner, sharper image that looks much more professional, both in the room and when watching it back online after the event.
It's a great way to display stuff. It looks amazing. It just expands the room so much. One of the great things about having an LED wall is that it can be scaled up or down. So you can make it 2 meters by 2 meters if you want, or you can go 3 meters by 10 meters. We're able to cater whatever the room size is. What's really good about us is that we're a one-stop shop. We can work with you from day one, generate the ideas, producing content for it, and make it work really well for you. And once we've done that, we'll be there on the day and we're running the whole event with you. When you're coming in with us, you're not just coming in for one kind of job or one project, you're coming in to be part of the team.